Right now, your very brain structure is being reprogrammed without your explicit consent. It all starts with the orienting response. This is an ancient predator detection reflex that once kept our ancestors alive by forcing them to freeze and scan for danger at the first sign of movement. Modern media triggers this survival reflex on a continuous loop. Every rapid camera cut, pan, or sudden zoom forces your brain to register an environmental change and activate the alarm. The physiological reaction is immediate. Your heart rate drops for several seconds as your nervous system pauses to get its bearings. Because these edits occur every few seconds, the brain remains in a state of continuous, exhausting alert. This strategy turns our survival instincts against us. By repeatedly triggering the orienting response, fast-paced media paralyzes our attention and drains our cognitive energy. These immediate physical reactions eventually compound. In a developing brain, these repeated interruptions interfere with the formation of the circuits required for sustained focus. Studies of early childhood development show that when toddlers are exposed to passive television, there is a measurable impact. For every hour watched daily, the risk of severe attention deficit symptoms by age 7 increases by 10%. The speed of our media has outpaced our evolutionary limits. By triggering these defense mechanisms thousands of times a day, we create a high-risk environment for the maturing mind. Curious, shifting tone. This creates a jarring paradox. While psychiatrists warn that fast screens destroy our attention, top neuroscientists are prescribing them as a medical intervention. High-speed digital video games are now used in clinical settings to treat profound learning disabilities and alleviate the symptoms of autism. Patients using these programs show a restoration of cognitive function. They are moving from severe impairment into the normal range, with some even showing significant increases in their IQ scores. If rapid digital stimuli are biologically exhausting, how can they simultaneously function as a clinical tool for healing? The glowing screen is not the primary factor. A specific biological mechanism dictates how the brain adapts to the information it is fed. This mechanism is neuroplasticity. It is the biological reality that the brain changes its physical anatomy with every activity it performs. The brain physically rewires its own circuitry to become efficient at whatever task it performs most often. It builds the hardware required to survive its environment. In a learning-disabled brain, fast information creates muddy signals where distinct sounds blur together. But clinical training games force the brain to process these signals with precision, forcing neurons to fire faster and more accurately. When the brain successfully processes this fast data, it releases dopamine and acetylcholine. These chemicals act as a biological cement, permanently locking the new, more efficient neural map into place. The brain refines its processing capacity to fit the task at hand. It continuously redesigns its own physical hardware to match the demands of the world around it. The difference between screens that heal and screens that harm is the level of engagement. Consumer media is engineered for passive consumption, while clinical tools require rigorous, active focus. Passive media triggers the orienting response endlessly without providing a problem to solve. Your brain is forced to pay attention, but because there is no cognitive reward, the process simply leads to mental exhaustion. Active media heals by demanding intense effort and rewarding it chemically. This process structurally reinforces your ability to concentrate. Modern algorithms currently exploit this neuroplastic vulnerability. They farm your attention by keeping you in a passive state, preventing you from exercising your capacity for focus. This leaves a final choice. You must actively control the stimuli you absorb, or surrender your brain's architecture to the specific demands of an algorithm. Your mind is being overwritten right now. The law of neuroplasticity guarantees that no second of screen time leaves you unchanged.